I started looking around for land that would be appropriate for a vineyard. And that brought me to the gorge. Got the whole family here. The gorge has a lot of different habitats within a very short distance. And that's what makes actually this area very exciting. I think I got a little disenchanted with agriculture research. There was a lot of money being put in by the pesticide companies, and also there's a lot of pressure for fragmentation. People will subdivide their land to get more money and create the obstacles for our natural system to function properly. And so there's constant conflict. Humans show a lot of fear to nature. Because we're showing fear is actually indicative that we've lost our connection with the natural world. And because we don't know it, we're fearful of it. The approach we've taken, the vineyard is part of the natural system. It was a logical step to take our winemaking and make a very natural wine. We don't add anything, we don't add no sulfite. We just help shepherd it through its stages. When I first started it, it wasn't clear that it was going to work. But I had faith in it. Nature is inherently messy. That's what it likes, that's what all the species like. I think it's important always to look at it from a point of view of how do we fit in. That just cements that connection to the wild system that we're trying to live within. And we have to fit into that system. And that's what we're trying to do. Is that what we're trying to do? She'll learn.